Hi everyone, this session is about converting NFA to DFA. Sometimes it is not possible to design the DFA directly, so first NFA is designed, then it is converted to DFA. Let us see with an example. Design a DFA that accepts the string starts with 1. It is defined over the alphabet 0, 1. First we will define the NFA for it. The minimum string here it is 1. After 1 it can have any number of zeros and ones. Q0 is the starting state. With the minimum string 1 it will reach the final state, that is Q1. After 1 it can have any number of zeros and ones. It can be represented with a loop on Q1 with the input symbols 0 and 1. And Q0 is the starting state. Let us convert this NFA to DFA. As there are two input symbols in the NFA, so we need to take 3 columns in DFA. Here we need to specify 0 and 1. Starting with the state Q0, Q0 on 0, there is no transition specified, so that we need to write here 5. And Q0 on 1, it is moving to the state Q1, so let us write Q1 here. In the first row, Q1 is a new state is formed, so that let us introduce that Q1 in the first column as a new state. Now we need to fill these cells, that is Q1 on 0, it is moving to the self state, that is Q1. And Q1 on 1, it is moving to the self state, so that we need to write Q1. Anyway, Q1 is already defined here in the first column, so no need to write it again. And one more state, that is 5, is also there in this one. So introduce that 5 also in the first column. 5 on 0, nothing is defined, so that 5 on 0 it is 5 and 5 on 0 it is 5. Now we need to find the starting state and final state of this DFA. In the NFA, Q0 is the starting state and Q1 is the final state. So here in the DFA, Q0 is the starting state. We have to represent with an arrow mark here, and Q1 is the final state, so that we need to put a star. Let us redraw this DFA. Q0, Q1, and this 5 we can represent it as a dead state. And Q0 on 0, it is moving to the dead state, that is 5. And Q0 on 1, it is moving to the state Q1. Q1 on 0, it is moving to the self state, that is Q1. And Q1 on 1, again it is moving to the same state Q1, so let us write 1 here. This 5 is represented as a dead state. On reading any symbol, that is 0 and 1, it will be in the same state, that is dead state. We will see one more example to convert NFA to DFA. There are two input symbols in the given NFA, so that we need to take 3 columns. Input symbols 0 and 1 should be written on the first row. The starting state is Q0. Q0 on 0, it is moving to the 2 states, so that we need to write Q0, Q1 in the first cell. As Q0, Q1 is specified in the cell, we need to introduce that as a new state in the first column. Q0 on 1, it is moving to the self state, so we need to write Q0. Anyway, Q0 is already defined in the first column. Now we need to fill this cell. So how to fill this cell is Q0, Q1 on 0. That means Q0 on 0 union Q1 on 0 we need to find out. That is delta of Q0, Q1 on 0 can be calculated as delta of Q0 on 0 union delta of Q1 on 0. Q0 on 0 is Q0, Q1 union Q1 on 0, there is no Q1 on 0 is defined in the given NFA. So it is 5. So finally we got Q0, Q1. Similarly, we need to write Q0, Q1 on 1 as Q0 on 1 is Q0 union Q1 on 1, it is moving to the state Q2. So Q0, Q2 we have to introduce as a new state in the first column because it is not defined earlier. Now we need to fill this cell Q0, Q2 on 0. Delta of Q0 Q2 on 0, that is delta of Q0 on 0 union delta of Q2 on 0. Q0 on 0 is Q0 Q1 union Q2 on 0 is not defined in the given NFA, so it is phi. Finally, we got Q0 Q1. Similarly, we can calculate Q0 Q2 on 1. Q0 on 1, it is Q0 union Q2 on 1, it is not defined, so we will get only Q0. And Q0 Q1 is already defined in the first column, and Q0 is also defined. When there are no more new states, we can stop the process. Now we need to specify the starting state and final state of the DFA. In the given NFA, Q0 is the starting state and Q2 is the final state. In the first column, here Q0 must be specified as a starting state with this arrow and Q2 must be specified as a final state with this star. We will see one more example for conversion of NFA to DFA. In the given NFA, there are two input symbols, that is 0 and 1, so that we have taken three columns. Starting with the Q0 on 0, it is moving to the two states, that is Q0 Q1. Q0 on 1, it is moving to the state Q1, so that we need to specify Q1 here. Now we got two different things here, so let us introduce them as a new states in the first column. Now we need to find Q0 Q1 on 0. Q0 on 0, we got Q0 Q1, and Q1 on 1, it is moving to the state both Q0 Q1. So when we find the union, we will get the result Q0 Q1. To find Q0 Q1 on 1, we need to find Q0 on 1 union Q1 on 1. Delta of Q0 Q1 on 1, that is delta of Q0 on 1 union delta of Q1 on 1. Q0 on 1 is Q1 union delta of Q1 on 1, it is Q0 Q1. So when you perform union, we will get Q0 Q1. Now we need to fill this cell Q1 on 0. Q1 on 0, it is moving to the self state, that is Q1. And Q1 on 1, it is moving to the both states Q0 Q1. If you observe here in the second column and third column, there are no more new states. So that we need to stop the process. And let us define the starting state and final state of this DFA. In the given NFA, Q0 is the starting state and final state. So Q0 is the starting state. Here we need to represent with an arrow mark. Since Q0 is the final state, wherever Q0 is there in the first column, all those must be specified as a final state. Here Q0 is there, so that we need to make it as a final state. Here Q0 is there, so that we have to mark it as a final state. Here in this example, we got two final states. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.